Good afternoon, everyone. It is 3:41 p.m. Eastern Time, September 4th, 2025. Been trading pretty much midday. Got a couple of videos I got to get out. I got like 15 minutes before I'll close shop for the day. $502.75 seems like a little, maybe we get a little support here. The dome. Let's see if we get, yeah, I think we're going to go do a little long over here. We're at the high. I'm going to go one tick above the high. And looks like maybe we go a little higher from here. I could always move the stop down a little bit. Pretty significant. I'm gonna go long at 54 even, right at 4 even, right there. A significant number right here, 0375. I think we're still gonna hold a little bit of support there. I'm starting to pull these a little bit. Adding here, 0375. Got 100. $150. And we just had the pop. So we should pop higher here. Starting to pull it. There's the pop. Little slow on the pop there, but we still got the pop, which is good. If we get up to 180, that's 180 right there. That's good. 188 holding. 150, that's holding. 187, that's a big 200 in here. I don't see the seller. We're pretty stable still. Pretty stable. 600 here. Maybe it's a little larger here. 508, 530. 565. Right, they're buying 503s. Then we just popped up 2 ticks. 503, we're holding 503. We want to see these numbers drop. We want to see red in this column. We want to see green in this column. It is 2:46. Got 9 minutes. See if we could get a trade up here in 9 minutes. 03 even. So negative delta. Very small liquidity in here. So if we get the momentum, meaning we get a lot of orders come in. We went from 60. So you see what happened here? Went from 60 to 120. and they're just adding here. So we could see some support here. We just downticked. We're not going to see support there. They just added 40 here. They removed 52 here. They removed 20. They added 24. They removed 30. There's 24 again. 31. So they're looks like they're taking it away from here, which made sense because we moved up. That's good. So we upticked on very small amount of orders. So we may have a hidden buyer right here. Let's see how the sellers, if the sellers understand this. Less sellers are coming in. We just went back here again. We got buyers sitting. All right, so we got buyers. Looks like we got buyers sitting at 275. So the move up should be fairly quick once we make that move up. See if these numbers, these are big numbers here, 79. That was a big pop right here. They're reloading here at 502, which is good for me. They reloaded a bunch. We got a bunch of sellers here too. So we need to overcome 502.50. We need to overcome this with some serious volume. Okay, then we'll overcome all that. Now look good. 36. You see what happened here? 34. So we're 33. Well, 52. That's not good. Let's see if we have the selling here. This needs to drop. No good. Go back at 502 again. Do we have that seller showing up? That buyer? Or they just downticked? Get ready for this buy right here. We're buying it. Am I in? I am in. So we're buying 501.75. There we go. There's the pop I was looking for. I'm looking for the high. Sometimes my timing is just a little off. But I need to actually get, I mean, if we could get to the high again, which it seems like we can, starting to build up the, we need to have more participation here. What time is it? 3:50? Yeah, I think we could make it. Let's just do this and we'll manipulate the stop. I'll take it. Let's just bank that. Let's just go long here. Just do a little reset. Looks good. 144, 145, 143. We're just loading back up. 140s. Right here, we're just loading. Loading. It may take about a couple of points. Or ticks, I mean. But they're buying it up. They're pulling it, starting to pull from the top here. That looks good. Starting to pull. They're buying it back. Let's not lose this. It is 351. I'll take that one. We're at the high here. Let's see what's going on. Little divergence and not much volume. Looks like we're going to pull back here. Pull back 2 ticks. There's not much going on here. We just may marinate a little bit here. One tick higher than the high. It's starting to build here. There you go. That 134, there's the pop. Let me go short at 0550. Right here. Nothing doing here. See if sellers start coming in. Right in here. See these numbers, Scott? 187. One. This is pretty good. Price action's great, except it's not moving. There you go. We're going to uptick here. No? So you got resistance here. Add 0750. See what happens. That was pretty fast. We're back down again. Okay. Well, take that away. It's about 355. This is my end. I don't trade past that. So all in all, had a pretty good day. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. I have a bunch of subscribers. Started a channel about a month and a half ago, and it's progressing. I like the correspondence. So subscribe to my channel. Join my Discord. It's free. See you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.